Um, ako po si Nico Tuato, or my true name is Philip Chelsea Tuato. Ako po ngayon ay nag-school din dito sa MOG. And my life is too bored sometimes. Sometimes good, unput ka lang. So, typod kay, hindi nga walang bored. Ayun, typod kayo, napakitan ta, ay happy, kaya kasuko, hindi ko diba? You know, since I was 3 years old, I started idolize my first of all idol, that is Larry Light. I can remember. I saw them in their video, Cool Again. Their Cool Again video and their Stories Again video net. That's the time I started idolize them. Year 9 But I know, nalisikat sila year 9.
Oh, magkabulit.
And then, after 1 year, then ininit, kami ko lang hindi sila nakita. Tinala ko, I was shocked in this video. There are the desserts, yeah. Ay, the desserts, oh. Lahat sila sa desert, sa ganta. Upat sila kabuok, there are 4. And they were still very handsome. That is A1. I would say that ito si Mars, ito si Sapol, and then Christian. That is it. Nagtugod kong idol sa ila atong video nila nga every time, and after every time like a road. Wow, bayo sila ko like. Wala ko na. Gayon, anong pagkaman, ana, nakita na akong iwan siguro, no? Yes, I don't know, mga 2001, ito pangalan nila dire, in the Philippines, or I don't know. Then mo na. Pinapa. Sabi ko ninyo, na ako'y banda sa una. Ipapakawa taon ko nila kay tungod kaya ako kung hindi ko galabaw nila. Saka ka nang tuya ni Sir.
Uy, ibawa. Buti ka na si banda.
I don't know, lalita na lang.
Buti na day?
I really forgot.
Buti na day?
Yeah, it's 3 years. Kuanda yun, after that, during 2nd year, niyapil ko bandang ako ng tugod. Banda okay, wak pa nagtugod. I'm a single person, that is why I'm here. I'm here to let you know that I must be in my life. Never learn to fly.